Want to save your money on Temu using your account credits? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to apply your credit balance at checkout so you can get your items in less in 2025. So in order to use your Temu credit, you need to first add the items to your cart. Find the items that you want to buy on Temu. Go ahead and tap on that and then tap on add to cart. Now once it has been added, go ahead and apply the credits. For that, you need to go to the payment page. Tap on go to cart first and then tap on check out. Enter your shipping address and all the details that is necessary. Tap on continue to payment. And once you're in this section, you need to find an option to use the credits or apply the account balance. If you have your Temu credit, you can turn on the switch or check the box to use your credits when the option is visible, and make sure that the credit amount is subtracted from your order total. And after your credits are applied, you can place your order. Temu lets you use credits with other discounts for bigger savings. You can see your credit balance in the account section of the Temu app or website. And some credits expire, so you need to use them before you do. And you can go ahead and also enter your coupon code if you have, then tap on apply, and some amount will be deducted according to your coupon code. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.